This video will introduce you to XP3 BI Cloud, our SaaS web-based application used by many leading CPG companies to easily create, automate, and distribute data-rich PowerPoint presentations and Excel reports. Our solution enables you to increase productivity by refreshing data across multiple reports from a single location, standardize best practices across your entire organization, and quickly respond to retailer requests with actionable insights, and customize PowerPoint presentations, including custom hierarchies. Our clients reduce the time it takes to develop their data-driven content by more than 80%. XP3 allows you to incorporate multiple data sources to provide the most complete view of your business. Secure hosting services are provided in either Azure or AWS. Plug-and-play connections are provided for Microsoft Analysis Services, as well as tabular and Snowflake data models. Our application is intuitive and easy to use. Simply log in to access the landing page with messages from leadership, including report and data updates. Using a simple menu on the left, users select from a list of all presentations available to choose and further customize. There are several ways to find presentations and reports. Users can search by text using the search functionality, or they can filter the list by using the tagging feature, or by simply expanding the folders. Once the presentation is found, you can review and then customize it by using the Quick Picks dropdown. All charts are created using Excel, which allows users to create simple pie and bar charts, custom tree hierarchy views, waterfall charts, heat maps, map charts, and more. XP3 can also include brand and retailer logos that change dynamically with the data. Another unique feature is intelligent text boxes, where users can easily derive key findings from the data. As the data changes, these text boxes are also updated with key insights and findings, automatically saving tons of time. Users can customize the presentation easily with our Quick Picks functionality. XP3 Quick Picks maps selections that can include retailer or account, time periods, and logos across multiple data sources within a customized user interface. It enables your top strategists to share their expert data knowledge and category expertise across your account teams. XP3 BI Cloud users can easily create and manage their stories based on an existing master presentation by selecting the slides that they need from the master presentation. Story Builder also provides the ability to add, delete, move, or duplicate slides within their stories. Users can review the generated presentation and present online or on any mobile device, or download as a true PowerPoint file that is completely editable. Users can edit the text boxes as well as open the charts in native Excel to customize charts, calculations, and analytics. IT resources are not required to manage our XP3 BI Cloud application. Non-technical or business users can easily maintain this application with admin privileges to manage users, reports, and access rights by associating users with their appropriate teams. The Teams feature allows a client admin to easily organize its users based on their retailer account teams and grant or restrict access to specific reports, such as Headquarters COE or a Kroger team, for example. The XP3 BI Cloud admin can also enable our chart query feature for users with strong knowledge of data and analytics. Once enabled, users can change selections on individual slides rather than the entire presentation using the Quick Picks feature. Advanced users can use the same chart query feature to create custom hierarchies. This allows users to create any custom hierarchies required for different retailers. This was just a quick overview of our application. Call us at 212-462-4900 or visit us at interactiveedge.com to schedule a demo to learn more about improving productivity and standardizing best practices at your organization.